Hello students, welcome to the maths class. In previous class we were discussing about the applications of the simple equations. Applications of simple equations means practical problems, verbal problems, how to form verbal to statement form and how to solve those one. Okay, in those few models we discussed based on numbers, and on that based on numbers only few more models I'll discuss here. After that I'll move to the next concept. So few examples, textual examples. Previous I took direct my own examples. Now I am taking the textual examples. Few models I'll cover. Afterwards I'll move to the next type. Now first next question is one number is 3 times another number if 15 is added to both the numbers then one of the new numbers becomes twice that of the other number. One of the new number becomes twice that of the other new number. Find the number. Find the number. See here, one number is 3 times another number. If 15 is added to both numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice that of the other new number. Find the number. This is your question. So, previous video we discussed simple statements: added, subtracted, multiplied, divided, and then consecutive numbers, consecutive integers, positive integers, consecutive odd numbers. Those are all we discussed. But here the combinations are there, additions are there, multiplications are there, comparison is there between them, all are there. Try to understand step by step statement. One number, I don't know what number is. 3 times another number, that another number also I don't know. 3 times of the another number. If 15 is added, both numbers, two different numbers, two numbers I added 15, then one of the new numbers becomes twice that of the other new number. Actually, while reading the question, you might have to get an idea that is we have to take two different variables. If you take two different variables also while solving, that is one variable you will convert into another variable form. Then only you will get the solution. Okay? Automatically conversions will get. Understood? Two different variables if you take, or else if you take a single variable also, no issue. Okay? Both the same result only, it leads to same result only. Okay now? Try to read the question. If one number is 3 times the another number, okay, 3 times the another number. If 15 is added to both numbers, two types of the twice that of the other number. There also again one more concept you have to understand. Which number is more, which number is smaller. So I start at let one number is equal to x. This number is I suppose as a x. The other number is 3 times of this number. Other number is 3 times of the previous number, 3x. Other number is 3 times of the previous number. One number is x, I suppose, other number is 3x. Okay? I got this another number x, you suppose, one number is 3x. You are with that is. I suppose one number is equal, let the number is equal to x. Let the number is equal to x. Let the number is equal to x. Here two different numbers I need to take. So instead of taking two different variables, I am taking a single variable because I am solving a simple linear equation. Even if you take two different variables also, while solving, automatically we will convert another one variable into two variables into one variable, single variable also. Okay. Let the number is equal to x. Let the number is equal to x. Find the number. They said no. Let the number is equal to x. Other number is 3 times no 3x. Now, if 15 is added, if 15 is added to both numbers, then what it happens? What it happens here? X plus 15 is one number and 3x plus 15 are the another number. Then x plus 15 and 3x plus 15 are the two numbers. After adding 15, I got these are the two numbers. Now, then one of the new number. These are the new numbers. The new numbers are x plus 15 and 3x plus 15. Try to understand the concept clearly. Don't confuse yourself. Here, one number is 3 times another number. If 15 is added to both numbers, then one of the number becomes twice that of the other number. Twice that of the other new number. Find the number. Let us assume that the number is equal to x. Let us assume that the number is equal to x. Now, other number becomes as a 3x. Because 3 times no. Now, if 15 is added to both numbers, then new numbers are x plus 15, 3x plus 15. I am adding 15 to both numbers. X plus 15, one number, another number is 3x plus 15. Now condition today. According to problem, what is that one? One of the new number becomes twice that of the other new number. Among these two numbers, one number is 2 times of the other number. Means by observing that, you can say this is a bigger number. By observing these two numbers, automatically you can say that 3x plus 15 is a large number than the x plus 15. So this number is 2 times of this number, another new number. Why sir? Why this one is 2 times of this one we can take no sir? Why? Because by observing that 3x plus 15, here only x plus 15. So by observing that this number is obviously greater number than this number. So greater number is 2 times of the smaller number. As per the question, 3x plus 15 is equal to 2 times of x plus 15. Now 3x plus 15 is equal to into x to x plus while multiplying binomial, we need to multiply each and every term of the binomial. 2 into x to x, 2 15 is 30. After this, transpose the variables one side and constants other side. 3x minus 2x is equal to 30 minus 15. 30 minus 15. 3x minus 2x is x. X is equal to 30 minus 15 is 15 is the number. 15 is the required number. Therefore, required numbers are find the numbers today. Therefore, required numbers are x is equal to 15, 3x is equal to 3 into 15, 45. Okay. Please write down once again. I'll explain after writing that. Okay. Here, one number is 3 times another number. If 15 is added to the both numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice that of the other new number. Find the numbers. First I wrote number. I am taking because I found two numbers now, so that I wrote as a numbers. I corrected that question. Numbers I wrote. Let the one number is equal to x. The other number is equal to 3x. The other number is equal to 3x. If 15 is added to both numbers, means x plus 15, 3x plus 15, x plus 15 and 3x plus 15. Okay. The new numbers are, these are the new numbers. Now, according to problem, from these new numbers, this number is larger number than this one. This will be 2 times of this number as per the question. So 3x plus 15 is equal to 2 into x plus 15. 3x plus 15, 2x plus 15 to the 30. 3x minus 2x is 30 minus 15. X is equal to 15. Please write down. Hope you understood. In case any doubts, please text me. Now another concept, another model I am going to explain. Numbers only. 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. After writing the problem, what is 2-digit number, how to identify those ones, all those I will explain. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is digits of a 2-digit number is 9. The number obtained by interchanging the number obtained by interchanging the digits exceeds the given number by 27. Find the given number. Find the given number. Everyone may be confused and listen here. 2-digit number or 3-digit number, whatever they give in questions, not only here, in higher class also, whenever they use the word of 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, you need to recall your primary class expansions. Numbers in primary class, you would have learned about the expansion of the numbers. Let us assume that 37 is the one number. This is a 2-digit number. ones place, tens place. If I ask you to expand, how you write 30 plus 7? Directly 30 plus 7. Every primary student may write. Why they are writing 30 plus 7? Why not 3 plus 70 also can write now? There may be a doubt. So since the place of the 3 is tens place, so this 3 is multiplied by 10. 3 into 10, 30. And the place of 7 is ones or units place. So 7 is multiplied by 1. 7 into 1, 7. 30 plus 7. That is the reason. Actually, we should, before writing this 30 plus 7, actually we need to write like this: 3 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Because the tens place now, we will multiply with 10. Because it is in ones place now, we will multiply with 1. Next concept is another word they use, interchanging. Interchanging means 7 will come in tens place, 3 will come in units place, like this. Interchange. Left to right, right to left. Interchanging means left becomes as a right, right becomes as a left. So now ones, tens. Now if you interchange, number value also will change. 70 plus 3, like this you get. Okay, this and this, when you interchange, the value of the numbers will different. Okay, will change always. Remember, understood this concept? What are the 2-digit numbers? How to take all those one? Okay, understood. Another word is sum of the digits. Digits means we have to add these two. 3 plus 7, 10, like that. Sum of the digits means only the numbers only, face values only we have to add. Face value, place value, both are different. In lower classes, primary classes, you would have learned those one. Face value, place value. Sum of the digits means while you are adding the digits, face values to be added. Face values to be added. Okay, not place values. While you are taking the 2-digit number, you need to consider the place values also. Okay, this is your previous concept. Just I recalled that one, previous model. Okay, now sum of the digits of the 2-digit number is 9. That is given first point. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is equal to 9. Means a 2-digit number is like this it will be. If this is x, this will be y. Means x is in tens place, y is in ones place. If I add this x plus y, the result is 9. The result is 9. Now, what I am doing, I am solving these problems in simple equation form. While in simple equation form, 2 different variables I should not take, one variable only. Then y is equal to, if I transfer this x, other side 9 minus x. Y I converted in terms of x. Y I converted in terms of x. Okay, like this we have to take. Let us assume that units digit is equal to x. Units digit is x. Okay, means as per the question, tens digit plus units digit is equal to 9. Means tens digit plus units digit is x is equal to 9. Tens digit is equal to 9 minus x. Am I right? Tens digit plus units digit is equal to 9 as per the question. Now I suppose the units digit as a x. So tens digit plus x is equal to 9. Tens digit is equal to 9 minus x. So obviously tens digit becomes as a 9 minus x. Understood? 9 minus x. I used only a single variable now. Okay. Units digit is x and tens digit is 9 minus x, because sum of the digits is given now. Now number family is number means tens digit is 3 and tens digit units digit is 5 suppose, then tens digit number is 3 into 10. In the same way number family is tens digit is multiplied by 10 into 9 minus x plus ones digit is multiplied by 1, that is equal to 10 9 ja 90 plus into minus 10x plus x plus into minus 10x that is equal to plus x, that is equal to 90 minus 9x. This is number family, original number it is. Number family is this is original number. Okay. Now, by interchanging the digits, by interchanging the digits means tens digit will go here in units place, units digit will come in tens place. Means 37 means by interchanging 73 it becomes. Number obtained by interchanging digits, number obtained is 10 into ax. Tens digit is units place. Units digit becomes a tens digit plus 1 into 9 minus x, that is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x, that is 10x minus x is 9x plus 9. Is it visible to you, all of you? Okay. Okay. By interchanging the digits, number obtained is 10x plus 9 minus x, that is 9x plus 9. Now I got this one. I took this one. The number obtained I wrote. After that, interchanging the number also I got. Number obtained by interchanging. Number obtained by interchanging the digits. Number obtained by interchanging the digits. Now, what they given here by interchanging digits? Here, number obtained by interchanging the digits exceeds the given number by 27. Interchanged number is exceeds. It will be more by 20 is given number by 27. Okay. Understood? Here the number obtained by interchanging the digits exceeds means more than given number by 27 means what is interchanging number according to problem. Interchanged number is 9x plus 9. This is exceeds than the given number. What is given number? 90 minus 9x by 27 means plus 27. The number interchanged number obtained interchanged number is more than the given number by 27. Meaning this. Now variable separate. 9x plus 9x is equal to, first I will simplify this. 9x plus 9 is equal to, this is 90 plus 27 is a 117 minus 9x. Now separate the variables. 9x plus 9x is equal to 117 plus 9. 126. 126. Now 18 1 just 18, 7 just 18 1 just 18, 7 just 126. X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Okay. Now tens. Now x is an units digit. Tens digit is. Therefore, what they ask to find the given number only now. Now units digit is equal to x is equal to 7. Tens digit is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Therefore, required number is equal to 27. Required number is equal to 27. Okay, whether your problem correct or not, you can check that one. 27 now. What is required obtained number reversing the digit is 7 9 is 63. 63 plus 9. 63 plus 9 72. 72 27. Both are same only now. Okay. So sum of the digits is 9. Units digit is x. Tens digit is equal to 9 minus x. How I explained each and every step here. Number formula is equal to 10 into number formula by the given number 10 into 9 minus x plus 1 into x. Number formula is equal to 90 minus 10x plus x. 10 to be multiplied both numbers. Now 90 minus 9x. By interchanging the digits, number obtained is equal to 10 into x plus 1 into 9 minus x. Units place becomes a tens place becomes a units place. So number obtained is 9x plus 9 by interchanging digits. Now as per the question, this interchanged number is 27 more than the given number. So when I simplify this, I got x is equal to 7. X is not your final answer. They ask to find the number. Number means number formula is equal to here you need to substitute here. Okay, 90 minus 9 is 27. Or else you can density is 2, units is 7, 27 is the number. Please write down. Hope you understood this one. Okay, next one. Next one more model of the using the fractions. After that, by using the numbers will complete. Next concept will start in next video. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. The denominator of a rational is greater than its numerator by 8 if the number is increased by if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Find the rational number. See, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8 if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Find the rational number, they asked. I am going to find out the rational numbers here. First of all, do you know the rational number? Maybe you might have listened the word, but somebody may know, somebody may know. Rational numbers is numbers which are in the form of p by q, where this was the question given. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8 if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Okay. In previous video, this solution was disconnected, sir. So once again, I am repeating. So the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8 if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Here, denominator of number is greater than the numerator means denominator is depending on the numerator. Denominator is depending on the numerator. Means numerator is independent, denominator is a dependent variable. Let us suppose numerator is equal to numerator of the rational number is. Let us suppose numerator of the rational number is x and the denominator of the rational number is equal to 8 more than the numerator means x plus 8. X plus 8. Denominator is equal to x plus 8. The numerator is increased by 17. Means first of all, what is rational number? Rational number. Rational number is equal to numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. Okay. I suppose the numerator as x, denominator as x plus 8. Now rational number is equal to x by x plus 8. If the numerator is increased by 17, if the numerator according to problem. What is according to problem? If the numerator is increased by 17, means what is numerator? X increased by 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1. What is denominator? X plus 8 minus 1. X plus 1, 8 minus 1 is equal to, what is the number obtained? This result becomes as a 3 by 2. When you added 17 to numerator and decreased by, denominator is decreased by 1, the result becomes 3 by 2. Now final result is x plus 17 by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Now cross multiply here. What it becomes here? X plus 17 by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Now 3 into x plus 7 is equal to 2 into x plus 17. Numerator is increased by 17, denominator is decreased by 1. Means x plus 17 is equal to x plus 17 by x plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. Now what it becomes? X plus 17 as it is. X plus 8 minus 1 is x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Cross multiply. 3 into x plus 7, 2 into x plus 17. Now simplify this. 3x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 17 2s are 34. Now variable separate them. 3x minus 2x is equal to 34 minus 21. X is equal to 34 minus 21 is 13. This is not your required number. Required number is rational number. Therefore, units digit is equal to, numerator is equal to 13, denominator is equal to 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Required rational number is equal to numerator by denominator, 13 by 21. 13 by 21. If you want to verify it is 13 plus 17 is 13 plus 17 is 30. 21 minus 1 is 20. 30 by 20 is 3 by 2. Okay, understood? The denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator. Means denominator depending on numerator. So I suppose the numerator is x, denominator is x plus 8. Now using this one, first I wrote the rational number. X by x plus 8 I got. Now x by x plus 8. Now rational number is equal to x by x plus 8. According to problem, numerator is increased by 17, x plus 17, and denominator is decreased by 1, x plus 8 minus 1. That is x plus 17 by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Cross multiply. 3 into x plus 7 is equal to 8 x plus 17. 3x plus 21 is equal to x plus 34. 3x minus 2x is equal to 34 minus 21. X is equal to 13. Therefore, numerator 13, denominator 21. Obtain required number is 13 by 21. Okay. Now this numbers, about numbers models are completed. I covered only models. You have to practice more number of problems. As we will suggest you what we have to practice. What you have to practice. Already you have a IIT material textbook you have in that, and few other additional questions also will send you. Okay. If you practice more, then you will get the ideas. Okay. Thank you. And next model will be on age groups. Next video we will discuss. Thank you very much. Please note down.